Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to link your WhatsApp account to your PC using WhatsApp Desktop. First, open WhatsApp Desktop on your Windows computer. Once the application is open, you'll see a QR code on the screen. This QR code is used to connect your WhatsApp account to your computer. Now, take your phone and open WhatsApp. On your phone, open the Link Devices option. On some phones, you may find it by tapping the three-dot menu first. Next, tap Link a Device. Your phone may ask you to unlock or verify yourself. After that, the camera or QR scanner will open. Now point your phone at the QR code displayed on your PC screen. Make sure the entire QR code is visible inside the scanner. After the QR code is scanned successfully, wait for a few seconds while WhatsApp connects your account to the computer. Once the connection is complete, your WhatsApp chats will appear on the PC. Now you can use WhatsApp Desktop to send and receive messages directly from your computer. You can also share photos, videos, documents, and other files with your contacts. This is especially useful when you want to use WhatsApp while working on your computer because you don't need to type every message on your phone. If you want to check your connected devices later, open Linked Devices on your phone. You can see the computers connected to your WhatsApp account and remove a device whenever you want. So the basic process is very simple. Open WhatsApp Desktop, scan the QR code with your phone, and wait for the account to connect. And that's how you can link WhatsApp to your PC in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.